Just because you're approved for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend it. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is confusing approval with affordability. Just because a lender approves you for a certain price doesn't mean that's what you should spend. Lenders look at things like income, debt, credit, but they don't fully consider your lifestyle. You need to ask, what monthly payment feels comfortable for me? Also, what lifestyle do I want to maintain? And what are my future plans? Because homeownership, it comes with ongoing costs such as maintenance, repairs, and other unexpected expenses. The goal is not to stretch. The goal is to buy smart, stay comfortable, and also build long-term stability. Thank you for listening. Take care. Tanja Kingle Friberg.